Jesus, ye soldiers of the cross, lift high his royal banner, he must not suffer loss. From victory unto victory, his army shall he lead, till every foe is vanquished, and Christ is Lord indeed. Stand up for Jesus, the trumpet call obey, for to the mighty conflicts in this his glorious day. Yea, that our men now serve him against unnumbered foes. Let courage rise with danger, and strength to strength oppose. Stand up for Jesus, stand in his strength alone. The arm of flesh will fail you, yet dare not trust your own. Put on the gospel armor, and watching on to prayer, when duty calls on danger, be never wanting dear. Stand up for Jesus, the strife will not be long. This day the noise of battle, the next their victor song. To him that overcomes, a crown of life shall be. He with the King of glory shall reign eternally.